Okay, I was about to go to sleep, woke back up for this video. Please excuse the jammies, I got it for my birthday. But I'm sure you saw this tweet today by Remotion. It's basically a skill that you can add into Claude Code, and it allows you to create motion graphic design videos. So all these guys made all of these videos directly from Claude Code, basically replacing the need for someone to not make a video like this, not yet, but to make a graphic design video. Every single video here probably took them less than $3 and took them less than 5 minutes to make. So if you're a marketing guy and you're a BD guy and you need to make some sort of marketing video for your release, you don't need to hire anybody. You don't need to go the back and forth 3 weeks to make a video, cost $2,000 anymore. You just tell Claude to do it and it will do it. So in this short video, let me show you how exactly you can do that. First thing, you go here, copy this part, and then just put it into Claude, whatever you're running it out of. I run it out of Replit Shell because I'm trying to get really good at Replit. I just run everything out of there. But you could be running it out of your terminal or cursor or wherever, and you just paste this in there and install this skill. Just like we talked about in the previous video where you might have to install a UI skill. And a skill is basically just an upgrade. It's like a DLC to whatever you're doing a Claude to begin with. And once again, if you're running this out of something like Replit, you don't feed this to the Replit agent. You have to feed it to Claude directly out of the shell. In our next video, we're going to vibe code a cat. No. So Claude is cooking here. It's basically just installing everything we need. When it's done, it'll let us know. I'm just pressing 2 so that I give it permission to do it. That's it. I'm gonna vibe code a cat next video. You're expendable. And we're running Opus 4.5 and we have the max subscription, so I'm paying like $200 a month or something for this. You don't need that one. You can run it out of the $10 one. Okay, it just said it's ready. It's done. I double checked. I said, are we ready to start cooking? It said we are, so let's start cooking. I'm gonna put my AirPods in because I'm lazy and we use Whisper AI to do voice to text. I'm basically just gonna give it a prompt to make something. I don't care if it's good or bad or whatever, but I'm gonna give it a prompt to do the marketing for this video. Okay, after I give you this prompt, I want you to ask me 5 questions just to make sure we have every specificity down about it. But I'm making a video about this new skill that we just installed. That should work. We put that in plan mode, and we also asked it to ask us more questions because the best thing about prompting is to make sure that you have the most specific yap full prompt ever. So here, with plan mode and with the questions, it's going to ask even more questions to make sure that we can hopefully one-shot this entire prompt. But now we'll just let this ponder. It's actually asking some good questions here, believe it or not. Do you want Neon Synthwave, Miami Vice, all of them? Let's do all of them. 4. What aspect ratio? We'll do 9:16 because this is for like if you're watching on your phone. I made this with Claude Code. Claude Code made this. We'll do I made this with Claude Code. Do you want audio included? Yes. Let's do a synth. And now it's asking which one should we definitely have in here. Let's have 3D for sure, scene transitions. Well, let's just do all of them. And again, you might be asking yourself, why does it ask you questions? Why not just put all these things that you want in there? I'm not going to lie. I didn't think of any of these. I don't know. It's asking me much better questions than I would even know to begin with to put in there. So when you do this, it brings up things that you don't even know that you wanted in there, and then it puts it in there. Today, Claude Code just put a bunch of people out of work, and pretty soon I'm going to be replaced too. We're all so cooked. Claude Code killed my wife. Okay, so it took a bit of time, but it's done. Look at this. This is what it made in a few minutes and with that one prompt that we did. Okay, so there are obviously a couple problems with this, so let's make it better. But yeah, this is not bad for one prompt, okay? Ask yourself this, ask yourself that, double check this, double check that. It basically just went through and found the most 80s vibes thing it could find and then just did it. But we don't want it to be super boring and basic. We want it, like I said, to be like, wow, I can't believe AI made that. So I just queued up this next prompt just so it's in there. And when it's done with the first one, it'll tackle the second one. It'll probably ask us a few questions. And just like last time, our only job here is to press the number 2 just so it knows, okay, go ahead and do it. So what are you guys' best bets? What is the next industry to be taken over? Graphic design was not on my list. I figured it would be me. Because like Kling AI and the motion tracking blah, blah, blah stuff is actually really, really good. I'm probably next to go. Like, why do you need me? Just make some AI do it. Maybe I'm funny. Maybe you guys think I'm funny. Maybe you just think I'm funny. I hope you do. God. Should I use your exact wording? Can I punch it up for maximum scrolling? Punch it up. You love the 3D element. What specifically should I do with it? Extend it. Add more 3D throughout. What's the actual call to action you want them to do? Follow you. Just vibes. Visit a link. Just wow AI's crazy awareness. Yep. What? This doesn't need to be a follow me. Hopefully this video is a follow me. By the way, if you don't already sub to me on here, please do that. I'm trying to get to 50,000 subs by the end of 2026, and if I don't grow at an exponential rate anytime soon, that is never going to happen. So I hope this video is somehow educational and helps you grow your business or do something cool or blah, blah, blah. So sub to me. Thank you. Okay, a few minutes have passed. Final preview is ready. Let's see what this looks like. Let's listen to. That's not bad. I'll take it. I don't like the audio a little bit. It's kind of but it's really not bad. For just sitting here for 30 minutes doing nothing, we made that. It's really not bad, you guys. And again, this is 30 minutes. You can make this as specific, as good as you want, and it'll only get better and better. But yeah, I hope this video helped. You can now use Claude Code to make graphic design. Much better than what we made. You can see the examples of what other people have made. They're much better, much cooler. But yeah, in less than 30 minutes, we made a 10-second graphic design. And I have no experience in that. Just like I don't have experience in all the other vibe coding stuff we made. But just like all those other vibe coding stuff, the more time you put into it, the better your results are. If you took 2-3 hours to do this, you can have an entire graphic design promotional marketing video for your entire actual company that looks good. You no longer have to hire anybody to do it. And even though this took out a lot of jobs and that kind of sucks, but this is just the way the world is moving. And I want to show you beautiful people how you can move with the world. So if this helped, please sub. We're at 1,000 subs. I want to be at 50,000 by 2027, or I'm going to have to kill myself. Thank you.